Machine features. The 3030 and 3025 PM machines have many features that make the PM machine a productive, safe, and durable grinding or polishing machine. All features discussed exist on every PM machine to make them safe, reliable, and productive. At no time should any PM machine be operated without all components being in perfect working order. Failure to maintain and or replace these necessary components can cause injury and or costly downtime. Variable speed drive. The variable speed drive, or commonly referred to as the VSD, is responsible for controlling the speed of the diamond tooling and is also the command center for the PM machine. The operation of the VSD is very simple. To set the speed of the tools, simply press the arrow up or down key to adjust the speed of the tools faster or slower. A common speed that all tools can be run is 35 Hz. For varying tool types, there will be other speeds that may be more productive, but it is important to know that any of the PM machine-driven tools can be run at 35 Hz. To start the machine, press Start. To stop the machine, press Stop. Cast iron motor. The PM 3030 or 3025 has a 30 horsepower or 25 horsepower motor to drive the tools. The motor is a 4-pole motor that has strong torque capabilities to power through any application that is appropriate for the PM machines. Maintenance of the motor takes place every 5 years, which amounts to 2 pumps of grease into the greaser. The motor is a sealed frame, and the only time to have concern for it is if any oil is leaking from it. There is no other attention required for the motor. Tool plates and EG adapters. The PM 3030 and 3025 use tool plates and EG adapters to hold the diamond tools. The quantity of tool plates on either model is 4 pieces, and the quantity of diamond tools held is 12 pieces. The tool plates are made of 3/4 inch aluminum for strength and durability, and the EG holders are made of hardened steel to prevent wear due to abrasion. Coupler. The PM 3030 and 3025 use flexible couplers to accommodate elevation changes present in the flooring surface. By flexing over the highs and lows of the floor, the couplers make the machine easy to operate and reduce operator fatigue. The quantity of couplers on either machine is 4 pieces. The couplers are a consumable item, but when used properly, have a minimum usable life of 200,000 square feet. Gearbox. The 3030 and 3025 PM machines both feature a gearbox design. The gearbox is made of cast aluminum and it houses hardened steel gears that have been laser cut for precision. The gearbox is a sealed system that contains oil for lubrication. The only maintenance required daily is washing or vacuuming the top and underside of the gearbox to remove dust or slurry residue, and inspect for any oil leaking from the gearbox, either the top or the bottom. Annual maintenance is to change the gearbox oil as indicated in the machine manual, using only approved oil Mobile Gear 600 XP 150. Rigid wheels. The 3030 and 3025 PM machine use standard cast iron urethane-clad stationary wheels. The wheels are heavy duty and made to allow easy maneuverability of machine while machine is in operation. Daily maintenance required is washing or vacuuming any dust from the wheel surface and inspecting that the urethane tread is intact and have no cuts or pieces missing. Stainless steel handle. The 3030 and 3025 PM machines feature a standard stainless steel handle for durability and structural rigidity. The stainless steel frame is rust-proof, and the only required daily maintenance is washing or vacuuming to remove dust or slurry residue. Water system. The 3030 and 3025 PM machines feature an 11-gallon polyethylene water tank. The tank is used only during wet cutting or wet polishing operation. Water is introduced to the cutting area under the gearbox when the water valve rod is pushed and water flows through the 3/8 inch hose into the cutting area. Daily maintenance of the water system is to inspect for any water leaks from the tank or valve, and also that the water hose is connected above the cutting area to the underside of the gearbox. Shroud system. The 3030 and 3025 PM machines feature a shroud system to seal in dust or slurry created during machine operation. The shroud system consists of 3 parts: the stainless steel shroud, the yellow dustpan, and the black rubber dust skirt. During wet or dry operations, the stainless steel shroud can be left loose to float on the floor to protect the tools from hitting any obstacles such as nails, rebar, or drain covers, or the stainless steel shroud can be fixed above the floor surface. In either position of the stainless steel shroud, the yellow dustband and black rubber dust skirt are attached to seal in the dust or slurry. In any dry operation, a dust collector must be used for the shroud system to function properly. Daily maintenance of the shroud system consists of washing or vacuuming to remove dust or slurry residue, and inspection for dents or any bends in the stainless shroud or rips and tears in the yellow dustband or black rubber dust skirt. Dust port and dust collection system. The 3030 and 3025 PM machines feature a 3-inch dust port, 3-inch flexible hose, 3-inch steel collector, and two 2-inch flexible hoses. This system is designed to remove dust from the cutting area using an appropriately attached dust collection machine when operating the machine dry. Daily maintenance requires inspection of all components to verify none of the components are damaged and that they are properly connected. Any damaged parts should be replaced and any loose connections must be reattached. Pocket weights. The 3030 and 3025 PM machines feature 6 included 40-pound pocket weights. The weights are used to vary the pressure on the tools as required by any given application. The weights are also used to counterbalance and elevate the grinding head when the machine is in the safety off position. There is no required amount of weights that must be used on the grinding head, but as a general rule of thumb, every project should be started with the weights in the neutral position as demonstrated. Depending on the flooring surface and the machine's performance, the weights can then be varied to make the machine more or less aggressive. Casters. The 3030 and 3025 PM machines both feature 2 top caster assemblies. The casters allow the machine to be placed in the safety off position without having the handle come in contact with the ground. Daily maintenance requires inspection of the casters and their functionality. If any damage is observed, the caster or casters must be replaced.